So by default in Google Tasks, you only have one task list right here known as My Task. But what you can actually do is create out multiple task lists as well. For example, you can click on Create New List right here. And let's say, for example, you can go ahead and label it as Personal Tasks right here and press Done. Once you do that, you can see that you got your tasks and you got your personal tasks right here. And over here, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, you can say buy groceries right here, just like this. And that will be a task separately. Apart from that, you can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto the three dot button. And then you can see that you got the sorting option for the task list as well, and so forth right here. So you can go around over here and let's say, for example, go around and then move this task to personal task as well, just by clicking on it as well. You can go around over here and go to personal task right here or my task right here. Or you can click right here and click on new list and a new task, a list will be created. So you get an option for it. And now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, official tasks right here, and you can press OK. And now that is what you have. You got your personal tasks right here, you got your official task, and you can even go ahead and click and drag the task right here to different sections just by clicking and dragging. And then you can arrange out the task and manage the task that you have. So this is what you have. This is the personal task. As you can see, you can go around over here just like this and rename out the list as you want as well. So let's say, for example, you can see something like my home task right here. Press done and it gets renamed out as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then create out multiple task lists inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe